Hey Captain, I never heard this before. It must be a new innovation.
Incredible. Report home.
Urgent message from Captain Hansen. Something beyond science.
We need to find out more. Send the Canadian.
Calculated and adjusted to accordingly. And as I mentioned before, this is impossible to do manually. However, it can be done with the new improved compaction meter that always comes with the seismic system.
Two rollers performing the same kind of compaction job. The one on the left is equipped with the seismic system, while the one on the right is a conventional machine of the same size. For each machine, there's a graph indicating the number of passes, the compaction achieved, along with the information on the power used for the vibration system, as well as the corresponding fuel consumption. Note that thanks to the seismic system's unique sensor and the adjustment to the soil condition, the compaction increases faster in comparison to a conventional roller. The energy required and the fuel consumption is, at the same time, lower thanks to the optimized compaction parameters. After 6 passes, the seismic roller has achieved the target level of compaction, while the conventional machine needs to make 2 additional passes to achieve the same target. The actual outcome may vary with different site conditions. However, the top layer of a granular material always reaches a higher stiffness with the seismic system. This, in many cases, allows the operator to skip the final static passes normally made to consolidate the top of a layer. As a result, the number of passes is reduced and fuel savings are realized. On top of these fuel savings, the efficiency of the seismic system delivers compaction with decreased fuel consumption. Up to 25% reduction in fuel consumption is possible when combined with the ecosystem compared to a conventional roller of the same size.
Really measurable benefits to the customers. That's really impressive. Thank you very much for taking the time today to talk to us about this and share a little bit more about the seismic system from Dynapac. It's really going to bring us into a new era.
Something like this.
No, that can't be it.
You can stop that. It's already out on the market.
Just place an order, the easiest way.